got the flaps down.
50%.
Beautiful.
Flaps up.
Yeah, for better.
Percent.
You gotta wiggle by 5%.
50%.
It's perfect right now.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Well, y'all have a good one. Always good to see you. Enjoy your race.
25%. 50%. 25%. 50%.
A little bit of slow flight. Okay.
Time remaining 1 minute. 0.
Cheesy, tail slide.
25%. 50%. 0. 50%.
That was ugly, but
30 seconds. 50 per 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Yep, you're down.
1. Timer expired. 0. %. 0. Full reverse. Warning.
now
Before.
I had a few of those out here.
Coming down on the rate.
always have an escape on your low rates.
How much expo you got?
30%.
Yeah.
That's out of space. Coming down on the gear. And right to left.
There you go.
Here's a lot of that is felt. Setting it up now. Got a half lap. Waiting on the gear. Yep.
Whoops, see, you almost stalled it. Reverse.
25%.
You're back to that.
50%.
Did it work?